Correct. Correct. The teacher corrected my answer.
Correct. Correct. Your answer is correct.
Fix. Fix. I will fix the chair.
Fix. Fix. We found a quick fix.
Mend. Mend. She mended her shirt.
Mend. Mend. He mended the torn bag.
Repair. Repair. They repaired the car.
Repair. Repair. The phone needs repair.
Heal. Heal. The wound healed slowly.
Heal. Heal. The doctor helped the patient heal.
Rebuild. Rebuild. They rebuilt the house.
Rebuild. Rebuild. He rebuilt his life.
Revision. Revision. The book needs revision.
Revision. Revision. The plan needs revision.
Amend. Amend. They amended the rule.
Amend. Amend. Please amend this document.
Pætʃ. Pætʃ. She sewed a patch on the jeans.
Pætʃ. Pætʃ. The developer patched the software.
Restore. Restore. They restored the old building.
Restore. Restore. The photo was restored.
Debug. Debug. The programmer debugged the code.
Debug. Debug. She spent hours debugging.